Hello friends, how are you all? Today's video is going to be very interesting. You may all think that the farmer brothers take the fruit from the tree and send it straight to us, but it is very important for you to know how this fruit is produced. We are not brought in. In fact, the fruits have to go through a long process from making the tree to cutting and packing, and you have to go through a long process which is very different from what you thought. After watching the video, your knowledge will increase many times and you will have a lot of fun with it, so let's get started. Most people like to eat grapes, raisins and all other fruits are made. So let's find out how raisins are made from grapes. And the first way to earn money is to plant grapes. Is when planting grape seedlings, keep in mind that the distance from one line to another is 3 to 5 meters, and from one to the other, and the distance should be 5 minutes. The trees are cut down when medicated, then when the fruit bears on the tree after 18 months, they are plucked by hand. The fingers are plucked from the tree with modern speed, then they are taken to the factory. The fingers are taken away, and who is the first girl to be dirty? Who separates them, then packs them, and sends them to market for sale. Friends, I will show you how they are made. We have seen the video made. How raisins are made is completely different from what is done here. First of all, what is done first is to cultivate grapes in the land, and then when it is gone, the trees are cut down. Well, this results in the plants dying within a few days, and then with the help of some big machine, hot steam is applied on all the fingers, so that the grapes are lightly boiled, and not finished here. They are taken to the factory, sorted, and sent to the factory through various queries. And here they have to go through various processes, where once they are listed in the quality list of some worlds, they are packed in boxes and supplied to the market in the same way. Now I will show you how many raisins are grown from grapes for the one who loves, and you know how to make these raisins. The technology is different, and there the fingers are dried, the ropes are tied, and these boys are stretched one by one. Or the fingers are removed at the top, and the fingers are like this. Here the bodies are dried for a week and a half, and carbonyl is sprayed, so that they dry very quickly. It can then be light brown, and thus all changes are done. After it is completely dry, it is taken to the processing plant for packing in a box, where it is cleaned all the time, and the dust and unnecessary things are removed from the raisins. It is placed on a subject where the World Cup raisins are scattered, and then processed with the help of Singer machine, where it is given then, when 1150 is done. How are these tested? Once they are dropped, they are packed, and they are packed sent to the market. Now you may have realized that no fruit comes directly to us, and to come to us, say a lot, like the video, and share it with your friends, so that you can watch the video, if you want to watch the video.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.